Hello dear students, welcome to the ICT lesson. I'm your ICT teacher, Miss Ria, back again with another video on ICT. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a new software, and the name of the software is Microsoft Word. Okay? It belongs to the Microsoft company, and that's why there's a word Microsoft in it. Okay, similarly, we worked on Microsoft Excel, right? And that belongs to Microsoft too. And this is the icon of Microsoft Word. It's blue in color. It looks like a half-open book, and it's got letter W on it. In today's lesson, we are going to see how to open Microsoft Word document and how to type in Word. The new words that you're going to see today are page, cursor, save, backspace, and spacebar. Now let's see what these words mean. Now let's see how to open Microsoft Word on your computers. This is your desktop screen, and if you move the cursor down, you have the Windows button here. Click on the Windows button, you get a search button. Click on the search button and type Word, W-O-R-D. So the first one is Word, click on it. It opens like this. Click on the close button. Now which button is this? Do you remember? Yes, it is maximize button. Click on the maximize button. It gets to the full screen. Then now let's select blank document. Okay, let's select blank document. I'll click on it. Now this is your Word software. Now let's look at the first word. Our first word is page. This white paper in Microsoft Word is called page. This white paper in Microsoft Word is called page. Now can you see a bar on top with lot of tools on it? This is our toolbar. Just like in Paint and Excel, you saw a toolbar on top. This is our toolbar. And these are some different tabs on the toolbar. Now if you see here, there is a line blinking. It is called cursor. And that's our second word, cursor. Okay, this is our second word. It's nothing but a blinking line. This blinking line tells you the position you're going to type. For example, I'll move the blinking line here by clicking here. Now the position of typing is here. So if I type my name here, see, the position of typing is shown by the cursor. If I keep my cursor here, I will be typing over here. Example, grade 1. Did you understand? Cursor shows the position where you're going to type. Your today's activity is to open Word just the way I did just now, and then type your name, class, and the name of the school. So I will start typing my name. Type my name, Miss Ria. Okay, now I'm going to type my class. I'll type my class is 4F. Oh, now is this correct what I typed? What is wrong with what I typed here? Can you tell me? Yes, I have not left space between the words. It says Miss Ria 4F. And I don't understand what is this. I need to give space between the words. And how do we do that? We can do that by using the space bar key on our keyboard. Now let me show you the keyboard. This is the picture of a keyboard. Now if you see here, the longest key on the keyboard is called space bar. The longest key on the keyboard is our space bar key. Repeat with me, space bar, space bar. Right? So this space bar key is used to give space between the words. The space bar key is used to give space between the words. Now I have marked one more key over here, and the name of the key is backspace. Okay, this is space bar, this is backspace. Now this backspace key is used to delete the typing errors. If you make any mistake in spelling or any extra character you add to your typing, you want to delete it, you can delete by using the backspace key. Let me show you. Now this is the error that I made. I typed 4F without giving space. Now I want to delete it. I'm going to press the backspace key that I showed you in the keyboard. I'll press the backspace key. Now it's gone. Now I'm going to use the spacebar key, that is the longest key on the keyboard, to give space between the words. Now I'm going to type grade 4F. Again, I'm going to give some space and I'm going to type the name of the school now. The name of our school is British International School. Okay, first I typed my name, I gave some space, I typed grade 4F, I gave some space, I typed British International School. You can also give space and type your phone number. You can also give some space, type your mom's name, type your dad's name, type your brother's name. You can keep extending and you can type whatever you want. Alright? So after you finish typing, our next step will be to save our work. Okay, once you finish typing, you need to save your work, right? Now how do we save the work? To save your work, click on File. Over here, can you see File? It's blue in color. Click on File. Click on Save. You can see the Save button. Click on Save. Then click on Computer. I don't want to save anywhere else in any folder. I want it on my desktop. Desktop is the first screen that you see when you turn on your computer or laptops. So I'll click on Desktop. Okay. Now what will be the name of my file? I'm going to type my name. Okay. I'll give some space. I'll type grade 4F. So I'll type 4F space today's date. So today's date is 2nd May. So I'm going to type this date. Alright, and I'll click on the save button. So the name of the file that I created comes on top over here. Can you see? Miss Ria 4F and the date. You can type the date of creation. Okay, the day you type your file, the same date has to appear here. You can attach the same file in Google Classroom and send it to me. Now I'm going to close my file. I'll click on the X button. So when I click on the X button, it's going to give me a message. Do you want to save the changes you made to your file? Okay, so always click on the save button. Do not click on don't save, click on save. So when the file is closed, how do I find my file now? It's on your desktop. You saved it on your desktop, right? So this first screen is my desktop and it shows like this. Miss Ria 4F 0205 2020. Let me open this file now. I'm going to double click on this file and it opens like this. So all the changes that I made is saved over here. In case it gives you this red line, that means The computer doesn't recognize the spelling, but it's okay. If you're typing your name, you might get this red line, but you can ignore it. But this blue line means you might have given an extra space. So click on backspace. This will be gone. Your today's practical activity will be to open a new Word file, then type your name, class and name of school in that file, and then save your file as your name, class and the date. Thank you students for watching the video. I've been receiving all your work in Google Classroom. I'm really glad you've been doing the work. Thanks a lot for doing your work. I really do appreciate your hard work, and huge thanks to your parents who have been helping you at home.